the Maori BJJ Nationals are an integral part of the development of Jiu-Jitsu within our Maori communities. It's recapturing and re-engaging in a sport that we sort of had forgotten about. We turned from our traditional Maori sports to rugby and cricket and that sort of thing. So I believe rediscovering whātoto, rediscovering wrestling for our Maori communities is an integral part to the renaissance of Maori culture.
The focus of today, whanaungatanga, and our rangatahi and our tamariki really, because if we don't look after them, we can't secure our future, you know. And as you can tell by the day, it's all about family today. This is probably my favourite comp. You can feel the wairua, and everyone comes together and walks away with more cousins, more family, and then they all get to do it again next year. So yeah, that's always been our focus, about unity, kotahitanga, but mostly about whanaungatanga and that special thing we have when we gather as Maori. Jiu-Jitsu is perfect for our tamariki in all ways, because they need to deal with their emotion, they need to deal with when pressure's on top and how to relax and get through that pressure. They learn how to be strong in themselves.
Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu is probably the best self-defense method for them. What we encourage our children to do is, rather than strike, they're effectively learning how to control a person, they're learning how to control a situation.
The perfect tool for learning how to deal with adversity and learning how to deal with that toa side that's genetically in us. It's teaching them how to deal with it in a non-violent manner.
Our children are learning some really good control habits to counter bullying. For most of us, we're travelling at least once a month to take our teams away to compete. Having a venue that's central in the North Island is going to be critical for us to keep the costs down. It's going to enable us to bring more people to engage in the sport. We always look forward to coming to Turangi. Like I said, it's not that far for us all to travel to. And the weather's beautiful, and the people are beautiful, and the kai is beautiful. In 10 years, what I would like to see is whātoto being throughout every Maori community in the country.
The growth from 10 years ago to today, 1,000-fold. So in another 10 years, I'm hoping it's everywhere.
I'd love to see into marae, into hapu, into iwi type challenges for our Maori people. It's an excellent outlet. Without the help of sponsors, you know, we couldn't do this sort of thing. It's great to see the local community, the local business people, and iwi getting in behind Tau and the team in Turangi. Without the sponsors, we couldn't make this happen.
I've got to thank the sponsors, because I ran the first one 4 years ago and it was all out of my own pocket. But that was the belief that we could make this happen. So to have people that understand how we affect the community in such a positive manner and are willing to sponsor it, it's only going to continue to make it grow. And let's hope in 10 years it's mainstream.
The sport is very young. The sport is relatively unknown to a lot of philanthropists who are out there. So the more sponsors that can help out, the better. You get out of it what you put in. If you want awesome results, put more putea into the kete, and people like Tau can make wonderful things happen in this community.
She's so far away.